Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a day that we will be blessed with some of the information that the minister meeting with informal settlements in the community. Give us an update of Ledrusasa.
The community members from Ledrusasa, senior government officials, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Prime Minister in this community. We are so honored to have you here amongst the Ledrusasa community. And there are two reasons as to why we are here. One is to talk to you about COVID-19, which is coronavirus, and what the government is doing and what we expect all our community members to do, because with coronavirus, it's a shared responsibility. Everyone has to do their part, and we're going to talk about it later. The second reason why we are here is about the development of Ledrusasa. As you know, the government made a commitment to develop this area and to give you 99-year lease. A lot of work has taken place. We have spent almost $2.6 million developing this area, and only one thing is left, and that is to give you your 99-year lease. We had to come back to this community for our socio-economic survey, because the one that was taken when the project started, we had to compare again to make sure that no one is left behind, and to see if any new development has taken place in the community, in case some new people have come in and the old ones have exited. So we have completed this exercise, and we are forming a new housing policy, and based on that policy, again, we will be inviting the Prime Minister back into this community, who will then give you the 99-year lease. And what I'll do, I'll end here, because we will have a Talanoa session, and during Talanoa session, if you have any question, you may ask. That you are interested in knowing more about COVID-19, you want to know what the government is doing, and you also want to know, so if there is any question when we open it up for Talanoa session, you may freely, as we call it COVID-19, has affected.
We have another one left, right? Okay, come on. Oh, you can come in. All right. Hey. Peace and love. Nice. Beautiful. And can go to the Manapura? Come, please. The soap and sanitizer, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone. My name is Rohit. I'm staying just up here in Roundabout. My house is here. I just see in the drain because rain, too much rain, and वो लोग आते हैं खाली देख के बता के चले जाते हैं कि अब किसी मैं आऊँगा तो फ्लो होके घर में से क्रॉस करके बगल जा रहा है, मुझे कोई बगल से हेल्प नहीं।
We are generally speaking to all of us here. Do not know how long this virus is going to take us. I just want to suggest to our Prime Minister.
एक ही लिस्ट में 4 ही घर बनाया हुआ है, वो कानून के विरुद्ध है। उस 1.5 एकड़ में, जैसे कि मेरी फैमिली अगर वो मेसुला में, हाँ,